Did you know that Amazon is already giving you for free what shoppers search for, what already converts, where you are losing market share, and which keywords can scale profitably on Amazon? This is all inside the search query performance, and in this video I will show you how to use this specific report, how to analyze the data easily, and make sure that you are leveraging this information for the PPC side, but also on the organic side as well. If you don't know how to find this search query performance report, you need to go on your Seller Central account on menu, then brand analytics. Second step will be to go directly on your search analytics here, and then finally you'll find the search query performance report. As soon as you click on search query performance, you will arrive here, like on the specific reports based on weekly, monthly, quarterly reports. On the left side, you will find the search query that are, specific keywords related to your products. And then you will have the search funnel by impression, clicks, add to cart, and finally by purchase. And Amazon is basically giving you like how you are doing basically in terms of performance compared to the competition and compared to your category, I would say, based on each keyword. And to be honest with you, I agree, like this is quite confusing, like to analyze. And this is exactly why I'm gonna show you like and present you like a specific solution to help you leverage this data, because this is a really important data to use on a day-to-day for optimizing your Amazon product listing, but also optimizing your PPC ads. Analyzing your own search query performance report can be quite confusing, to be honest with you. So this is why I built like a keyword analysis feature inside Superlisting.io. And what this feature does basically is like analyzing this search query performance report that you can export like through your Seller Central account. And if you use the data that is giving you by Amazon on the ad side, especially for the search term report, like on sponsored product. You can analyze both like the search query performance report and also like the sponsored product report data. And from here, like just by pressing one button and also analyzing two files only, you have like a specific recommendation here, like based on advertising performance. What are the top performer? What is the biggest opportunity? What are the mixed ad opportunities? What is the keyword strategy? And what is the high impact fix and the budget optimization? So here, like this is AI recommendation that are running instantly, and here, like you can really find what's going on here. Like so, how this data can be used on the day-to-day basis. So let's say here you have like I don't know, like coffee cup as a search query here. You will see that there is like a query volume for the specific time period that you selected. So it's almost like 12,000 people looking for the specific keyword. And then what this tool does is like comparing your market CTR with your own click-through rate. And it's comparing also like the market's conversion rate with your own conversion rate for the specific keyword. Then you will have the information on how much you spend like on the ad side, how much you generate in terms of ad revenue, what is your cost, what is your ROAS, and then what is your impression, and then finally, yeah, how many clicks did you get, how many purchases did you get for the specific keywords, and from that, like you understand this is really critical, this is really important to use this specific data, because Amazon is literally giving you what is working and what is not working in terms of ranking of specific keywords and what is working or not, like in terms of ads. So yeah, as soon as you have done like your analysis here, you identify specific keywords that are really good at this moment or underperforming, for instance, you can still create like keyword lists here inside the tool, and then you can use this specific keyword like to rework your own product listing. So this is something we could do later, like in another video. But yeah, there is like another feature called AA Chat that is basically optimizing your Amazon product listing really easily. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you today, like for this search query performance report that are, I think, and I believe, like underused, like by most of the brands, like on Amazon. So I hope you will find it really helpful, and you could leverage this data either using superlisting.io or doing like you're analyzing yourself, like with your spreadsheet and your CSV file. But either way, like you need to really use this data that is free to use and that is given for free, like by Amazon. Thank you for watching and see you later.